Afternoon, ma'am. I'm so happy to have you here.
I'm so happy to be talking to you,
Oh,
Mahalakshmi. It's a privilege. Thank you for inviting me. I'm so glad.
yes, okay, ma'am. I saw your interview with Shanta, ma'am, and it was so mesmerizing. I really enjoyed it. And yesterday, even I watched it again.
Oh,
The energy
what do you
level,
like so much about the conversation?
yes, ma'am. The
Okay.
energy level, the appreciation, the everything. I liked it very much. And after listening
Um,
that video, I felt some energy within me.
oh my
Okay.
gosh. Really? I'm just glad to hear that. Yeah,
Yes,
okay.
yes.
So
Are you
great.
are you always
Yes.
like this, ma'am? Are you always like this, like with the full of zeal,
Yeah,
full of
yeah. I,
energy?
yes, I am.
Oh, irrespective
Yes,
of
I
the
am.
surroundings, you are maintaining
Yes.
that gosh, that energy level.
Yes, yeah, this is what people say about me, and I am like this. Yes. I
Oh,
have some Josh which is overflows, really, yeah.
yeah, it's very
So,
good. Actually, you are not only making yourself happy, ma'am, you are making everyone to feel happy, to feel that energy.
ah, if it is helping others, I will be very happy. Sometimes I we doubt ourselves, right? We'll be thinking like, sometimes maybe we should tone down or we should be like someone else or but then I realize this is me, and if I try
Okay,
also, I feel very awkward, so I'll just be myself.
okay, fine,
Yeah.
super, ma'am. Okay. Do you want to,
Yes, Mahalakshmi.
ma'am,
Tell
shall
me.
I tell me about myself, ma'am? Shall I introduce myself, ma'am?
Sure, sure,
Yes.
please. Please tell me
Okay.
about yourself.
Okay. I'm Mahalakshmi from Coimbatore, ma'am. I did my master's in engineering and I was working as a lecturer for 4 years and afterwards as a banker for 12 years. Recently, I quit my job.
Wow.
I quit my job and now I'm shouldering all my responsibility as a homemaker, proud homemaker.
Mhm. Yeah. So are you enjoying being a homemaker or what?
Yes, ma'am. Now I'm enjoying my liberty. I don't want to pressurize myself. I can balance my home peacefully
Exactly.
so that
Yes.
I can see that disputes or that there is no dispute nowadays. We can understand.
Mm-mm-mm.
Yesterday, my husband went to Madurai, ma'am, and he came very late. And
Mm.
my
Mm.
daughter was showing her face on him, and I was explaining her about your dad, about her dad because he
Yeah.
went in the early morning and he was driving all alone and he came home. You should understand his position. But when I was working, I was not able to understand his position. I was thinking about myself. See, I have been doing
Absolutely right.
everything for my home, for working and
Mm.
all. Now I
Mm-mm.
am able to understand others, ma'am.
Yes. No, I totally, I can resonate with that because going to work is, I mean, a total different ball game. Absolutely. Because when I went to work and I came back home, I think that stress is already on us. And so, it just reflects in things that we do. And we are not able to, actually give our 100% to our family, which I think is more important than money.
Money,
What do
yes.
you think?
Yes, ma'am. You correctly said, ma'am. You hit the nail. Actually, but I don't say that the one who are working, they are not able to balance both the thing. They are doing it, but I am not able to do that. I
Exactly.
felt
Yeah.
stress. It
Yeah.
was actually a dimmer for me when I was working and balancing my both the thing.
Yes, I have a total different level of respect for those women who can do both well.
Both, yes, ma'am.
Because I also could not do. I was exactly like you. When I went to, work and I returned home, I used to feel so deflated, so, I have no energy to do anything. All I want is I want to rest. So I used to be, so, irritated, annoyed with my kids or whatever is happening around me. But when we stay at home, I think we are able to, we don't have that work pressure.
Yes,
Sometimes work pressure is a lot. And you have been in the banking industry. I can imagine that you might have had a lot of pressure, right?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so
But
yeah,
I
so
had that habit. I used to leave everything before coming to home. So after going to
ah,
bank, I forgot all my household difficulties, chores and all. But sometimes,
ah,
ma'am, it was really challenging for me to tackle both the things.
of course,
Yes.
true, 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 true. So
Okay.
absolutely true. And I think now you're enjoying your conversations and having time with your kids and
Yes.
enjoying your home. Yeah,
Yes,
right.
ma'am. Now
Yes.
I find time to realize myself, my area to improvement, my area to improve further, and what I really like, what I would like to do further. So I started analyzing myself. I actually utilize this time for that.
Yes. And I think we do have time to reflect and we're not either earlier it would be earlier you're totally with the office or you totally come home and you're with the kids.
Kids.
There's no me time. I think as women, we so many times miss out that me time.
Yes.
Yeah. So I think, I also realized one thing. I must tell you about what I did. Okay. So when I was a HR and I came back home, and so we work 5 days and then we have a Saturday, which is not a holiday because we are catching up with all the housework and homework and stuff like that. But then I realized there was no me day because the kids have a holiday, everybody has a holiday, but on Sunday also you are working because you think you have to, do something special for the kids. But then there was a friend of mine who told me to take one day for myself.
Mm.
Okay, so I really thought it's going to be tough. But one day I decided that Sunday is going to be my day. Okay, so as you know, I am a Christian and I go to church on Sundays. So on Sundays also, we do not get to, just relax or something. We have to get ready, go to church and
Church.
return. Then again, lunch and all of that. So nowadays, you know what I do? I do all of my work on Saturday. Okay, I finish most of my work. And Sunday, I go to church, I return home, and most probably sometimes we just go out for lunch with the kids and all of that. Or if we have something cooked, which is on Saturday night, I just have my lunch. After lunch, I just sit down and watch one movie. Really, earlier I used to watch movie in bits,
Uh,
20 minutes, half
bits
an
and
hour, and then
pieces.
next day I'll watch half an hour. But nowadays I watch one movie on Sunday afternoon, and I
Okay.
might fall asleep during the movie, but that's a different story. But I decided, oh, I'm going to watch a movie, and then I'm going to enjoy a nice cup of coffee after the movie and totally have that me time. Wherein I am not doing laundry, I am not doing anything, no dishwasher, no nothing. It's just me and the kids, and I sit and we talk, we play some board games and stuff like that, or sometimes we just go out in the evening for a walk. I just go with my daughter, and I really found that it energized me more to
Mm.
give more because I was not putting anything into myself. I was only giving and giving, but someday our battery runs low, and then how do we recharge ourselves? So I think women have to have one day in the week. You can choose any day that you want, but I have chosen Sunday and I sit with my kids and all of us have a holiday. Yeah.
Holidays. Yes.
So I'm not folding clothes, I'm not arranging my cupboard, I do nothing. Otherwise, on Sundays I start arranging the cupboards and putting away stuff and doing extra jobs. I don't do that. And I
Okay.
found myself to be more relaxed and more able to give love and more care to my family. Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe you should try
Yes, ma'am.
one
Yes.
day at least.
Yes, yes. Actually, when I was working, the same thing happened, ma'am. I used to have second Saturday and fourth Saturday holiday. That
Ah,
that week, okay, I could manage. I was able to manage. But the one day holiday, that day evening, my husband used to call me. Shall we go outside? Shall we go to a temple? I told him that I have so many works. I have to do
yeah.
everything on my own. Now he is asking, see, you are not able to come when I call you. Now you are asking me to take me out. Now I am asking him, ma'am, you please, shall we
Yes,
go out on the weekend? I
out.
don't want to
Yeah,
sit at home. So that is a
correct.
change. But one thing
Yes.
is, is after quitting my job, I lost my
Mm?
identity.
Mm-hmm.
I can say that I was saying that I was working in a bank proudly, very
Right.
proudly. But
Yeah,
after
yeah, yeah,
quitting,
yeah.
I felt that I lost my identity. See, when someone
Ah.
asked me, what are you doing? I said, I am a
Mm-hmm.
homemaker. Just
Mm-hmm.
homemaker? This
Mm-hmm.
was the answer.
Though
This
they
was the
ask.
reply.
Ah.
Yes, ma'am. This was
Yes,
the reply
yes, yes.
from them.
Yes, yes, yes. But something, I don't know what I mean, my personal opinion is being a homemaker is more tougher, is
Yes.
a tough job. There are days when you went to work, but in the morning you would get up and have a shower, get ready, and go. Have there been days when you were at home and you did not even have a shower till the evening?
No,
I'm
ma'am.
sure you would have had that day. For me, days
Yes.
I'm at home, and I would have forgotten about myself. I'll be doing something else with the, this, my classes. I have an online English academy. So I have my classes or whatever I have. And I would have forgotten that I have not had a bath or I have not done something which is so important. And in those days when I went to work, I would do everything for myself in the
Yes,
morning and just go. Sometimes we forget to do so many things for ourselves. Yeah. And
yes.
there's one day I realized I hadn't even drunk a cup of coffee because I love
Oh.
to drink a cup of coffee in the morning. I forgot my coffee also. But I'm supposed to be at home. So everyone thinks you have endless hours free at home, but
Uh,
it's not.
it's not. And before, we were following some routine, ma'am. Now there is
Correct.
no routine. No, there is no
Yeah.
need to groom ourselves. I felt that there is no need to do anything to groom myself. And why should I look better? I'm not going to
Uh,
anywhere. So why should I wear good clothes and all? I was like this, ma'am,
mm,
before starting this channel.
channel.
It channel, yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Actually, it made me to convert so many things. Now I have been transforming myself just because of this channel.
Yes. And when we have something to do other than, okay, our family, we also enjoy it. But I
Yes,
think this is a flexible one. No, what do you think? YouTube is flexible. You can do
yes,
it whenever you have time. And sometimes you can also take a break or whatever it is. So even that is how I enjoy doing my YouTube and my, academy with my students. Here I am the boss, you see. So I have the flexibility to schedule my things and have my classes or as this conversation whatever. So I think somewhere we have to strike a balance between work, home, ourselves and everything. And I think women, as women, I think we are blessed with that multitasking.
yes, multitasking. Yes, we have to, ma'am. Otherwise, we cannot lead. We cannot actually take our family to the next level. We should be
Sure,
ready to
yeah.
do any work at any time. There is no, we no need to prepare for anything.
Yeah, we cannot say no, yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
because
Yes.
everybody is dependent on us in so many ways, yeah.
Yes, yes,
And
yes, ma'am. Yesterday, my daughter she asked puri for her lunch, ma'am. And on
okay.
Sunday, here there was no shop, and my husband was searching for potato for doing side dish.
Haha.
It was Monday yesterday, and he went to
Okay.
Madurai early morning, ma'am. So in
Okay.
the morning, I was not able to go to the shop and get potato and do all the dishes. So I did some other
Uh,
thing, and
uh,
today I prepared the desired lunch
her favorite.
for her
Ah,
favorite puri and potato. So
okay.
we should be able to
Mm.
tackle my daughter, and I should be able to convey her, transform her from
Yes.
puri to some other dish.
Yes. And then, these days convincing the children to, take up things that we can't do also is, that is I think a skill.
Yes,
If you
ma'am.
can master that skill, no, you can have a peaceful
Yes.
life.
Yes, I should convince her. See, these are all the situations. I have to do like this. You please suggest. Then tomorrow, without anything, I will do it for you. Please suggest
I
one
make sure
thing.
you have it.
Yes, ma'am. I have
Yeah.
given before this session. I have
Today?
packed. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
How old is your daughter?
She turns 12, ma'am, this December.
I see. Oh, so then we have the same. My daughter is going to turn 12 in March next year.
Oh, next year, March. Okay.
Yes,
How many
yes. So
children, ma'am, do you have?
I have two kids. I have a son and he is working.
Oh.
So, yeah, he goes to work and my daughter she is in the sixth grade.
Okay.
So I have
Okay.
a long gap, yeah,
Difference.
between both of my kids. Yeah,
Yes.
so when that happened, it was like actually after a long time I had my daughter. So I feel like everything was so new. When I had
New.
my son, things were so different. And now when my daughter is so different, so I have like two different
Yes.
generation kind of kids. And yeah, we do. I mean, we do have fun together.
It's kind of
And
enjoyment. You can
yes,
relate to both the thing, both the Gen Z
yes,
and the adult one and the
correct.
teenage and all.
Yeah. And the thing was, I thought, okay, my son and my daughter, they're so different. I mean, there's so much of gap.
Gap.
So they will not be like, they will be so mature and all. No, but they are the same, just like any
Kids,
other kids.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
They might show their face, different faces to others, but as to a mom, they would be always like this as a
Same,
kid.
yeah. Yeah. So I was just telling my kids, I was like, I think y'all are kids forever to me, and I'm your mother forever to you. Like wherever outside we are all different, as you say, no, we
Yes,
behave differently, but at home we are all the same. Yeah.
yes, yes, ma'am. Yes. Okay,
Mm.
I would
So could
like
I
to.
see a happy birthday behind you? Someone's
Yes,
birthday. Is it your birthday?
no, ma'am. It's my daughter's birthday 2 years back, and
Okay.
we don't like to remove it. And now
Remove
December is
it. Yeah.
going to
They like
come.
to keep it.
Yes, ma'am. Now
True.
December is going to come, so we can utilize this for this year also.
One job less for you to put
Yes,
up the decorations.
decoration and
Yes, okay.
okay.
So your kids, when you're doing your YouTube and all of that, do they help you? You have one daughter, only
Two
one daughter.
daughters, ma'am. Two daughters.
Two daughters. Ah, what is your
My
elder
younger
or
one, she is in
younger daughter?
UKG. UKG.
Ah, she's tiny. Ah,
Yes.
yeah, okay. So both of them go to the same school.
No, ma'am. They are in different school.
Okay, okay, okay.
Uh,
So you have a little one also to manage and elder daughter, yeah.
yes, they
So,
understand me very well, ma'am. It was my elder one, ma'am, um, who gave me this idea to start a YouTube
ah,
channel.
wow, really?
Yes, ma'am.
From where did she get that idea?
I don't know, from her school, from her friends. I don't know. She was
Mm,
keep on asking me to start a
mm,
channel, and I was
mm,
melancholic, ma'am, and disheartened. I was yelling at them. See, because of
mm.
you, I have quit my dream job. It was my dream job, ma'am, to get into the
Who,
banking
your bank
sector. Yes,
job?
yes, 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 ma'am.
Ah, okay,
I
okay,
was
okay,
in a public sector bank, that too. So I
okay,
was
okay.
just after quitting that we had that time
Regret.
period regrets and all. So my
Yeah,
daughter,
yeah.
she wants to escape from my scolding. So she suggested you start YouTube channel, Amma. You please start YouTube channel. And I was just searching and I started, ma'am.
Ah, so then how did you come up with the idea of these conversations?
I know I am okay with English. I can do a conversation and I would like to really converse with other people, ma'am. I would like to know about others. When I'm traveling
Mm,
in a bus also, I have a habit of talking with my neighbor.
talking to others,
Yes,
yeah.
ma'am.
You are like
Travel.
me.
Okay.
Wherever I go, I start talking to someone. My kids will say, Ma, what are you doing? You don't even know who they are. How can you talk to them? I'm like, I can talk to anyone, be it 9-year-old or 90-year-old. I can
Old.
talk to anyone. So
Okay.
it looks like you have the
Yes,
same
ma'am. Yes.
trait.
And
Okay.
she gave this idea, you do start a YouTube channel and do something with that and don't bother us.
But I think she gave you a good idea. Actually, you're
Yes,
enjoying it, no?
yes, I'm enjoying,
Mm,
ma'am. Really, I'm enjoying. I was not
mm.
aware of this and all before starting my channel now, but I'm enjoying. I'm learning so many things, ma'am. How to edit, how to interact with others. I'm building confidence. Really.
Of course, of course. And YouTube is a space where um your work many times gets so much of appreciation when you don't even realize what you have. Like you told me today, ma'am, you're so energetic, and
Yes.
sometimes we don't realize, okay, but when somebody tells us something good that even inspires us, motivates us to do better or to be this way or whatever it is, and that's what I've realized from YouTube. Because when
Okay.
I started my channel, I did not know. I said, okay, let me start a channel. And I wanted to really help people who could not speak in English. Okay. So I started, that's how I started my channel. My story was when I was a HR, I used to help my team to learn English. Then I quit my job, and then like they were all like, ma'am, how will we learn and all that. So I said, okay, not only you, let me help others. So after doing this, and then I realized, okay, there are so many people who are in need of English. On top of that, we are helping people, that makes us feel good.
Feel good.
And when someone gives you a compliment or says, well done, good job, that actually gives you some satisfaction. Maybe money is a different story, but when you're actually helping people, I feel uh, it gives us self-satisfaction, peace, joy. Someone you are blessing someone, no?
Mm.
I love that. And then
Yes.
also there are some legends who will give you some weird remarks. That is a different story. Some legends give some
Okay.
remarks. You say, I'm trying to even do some good things, still people are unhappy. So
Yes.
yeah,
Yes, yes,
we
ma'am.
learn to take it in our stride, no?
We should come
Yeah.
we should know that okay, there are some legends like this, and have to move forward, have to overcome that obstacle. That is a lesson for
Yes,
us. We have to consider that as a lesson.
there was a time, there was one of my, one video of mine had so many negative comments that really, at that moment, I wanted to quit. I was so upset. I was just like, I was putting out these videos to help people. Okay, if they don't give me a compliment or they don't say good things, no problem. But then they were giving me such very bad remarks that I was about to quit. And then my son and my daughter convinced me. They said, "Ma, in this world, you cannot take everyone's comments to heart. You
Yes.
have to just become little thick-skinned." That is when I said, "Okay, let the naysayers be. Let's just do something good for the people who really need it."
Need.
So I've also gone through that, that curve of YouTube, and so that's how things are going
Okay, fine,
on.
ma'am.
All
So I
right.
would like to ask you some questions regarding HR,
Sure.
ma'am.
Sure.
Okay, how do you tackle questions, ma'am? Train students to tackle some negative questions like, tell me about your weakness.
Mm-hmm.
If
Okay.
they ask,
So how do
tell
I
me, yes, ma'am. How will you train? How would you train students if they ask, tell me your weakness? So what they should
mm,
answer for this question, ma'am?
okay. So as a HR, I do not know whether this is a God-given gift or talent. I don't know how, but when a candidate is speaking the truth, it
Mm.
comes out, you can make
Mm.
out. But when a candidate is making up a story or lying, that also we can make out. Okay. The
Okay.
very question that is being asked is not to find out your weakness.
Mm-hmm.
They don't
Okay.
care about your weakness. They don't know, because every human being has a weakness. It's not like some rocket science that, okay, some people have, some people. It's not like that. We just want to find out the person if they are truthful enough to even acknowledge what they're going through.
Mm-hmm.
Because the first step of acknowledging your weakness, what does that mean?
To
That
improve
means
further. Mm.
Ah, that means you already know this is what I have, so you are ready to work on it. As you
Okay.
say, when you look at our videos and you can see there is something that we have not done properly, the next video we try to correct it. It's the same thing. That is why we ask them the question, because we are not really worried about the weakness. We really want to know how honest or truthful that person is.
Whether you know
Okay.
your weakness or not.
Whether you know your weakness or not, and also whether that person is, making up stories. Sometimes people lie a
Okay,
lot,
ma'am. Mm.
and as a HR, we do not want these kind of people, to
Mm-hmm.
be honest. Yeah. We do not
Okay.
want, because if you can lie about your own self when you don't even have a job, that means on the job, I'm not sure whether you're going to be honest or
Okay.
sincere, or
Mm-hmm.
when you're doing your work, are you going to be honest or sincere? Because people really, I mean,
Mm-hmm.
companies don't encourage dishonesty. That
So
is
when
why they ask that question.
okay, so when it comes to weakness, do they want
Hmm.
to tell about their personality weakness or some bad habits or related to technical term, ma'am?
You can say anything. As I told you, it is not really to find out about your weakness.
Okay,
The
ma'am.
question here is not about weakness. The question here is, how are you handling that negative question? Are you
Okay.
able to give out the truth? Are you able to say, yes, I have flaws and I'm ready to improve?
Mm-hmm.
Because everyone comes in with a flaw. And the point
Okay.
is, you have to learn how to improve. That's all.
Okay, ma'am.
It is
Okay.
not like we want to find out, oh, really, you have this problem. Oh, that means no, 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 no. It's not that. It is just to find out what kind of a character you are.
Okay.
Hmm? As I told
Okay.
you, yeah, that
Okay,
is
ma'am.
why we ask that question. So I would just tell candidates, just be truthful.
Be
If you say,
truthful.
yeah, just be truthful, because it comes out, that comes out into the interview, and the HR knows, okay, this person is truthful. If they've made a mistake, also they will agree and they will improve.
Okay,
But
ma'am.
there are some people who say, we don't have weakness, and then you already know they're lying.
Okay.
Yeah.
We should accept
Yeah.
it. Okay, ma'am.
Mm.
What role does body language play in interviews, ma'am? And how do you coach your students to build a proper body language, ma'am?
Okay. Body language, if you are nervous, I think it shows with your hand movements and the way you sit down. If you are not confident, your head is down. Okay. So let me tell you one thing. We do not expect perfect people.
Okay,
Everyone
ma'am.
knows that when you come for an interview, there is, you have fear and you have thing. So how I train my students is, I train them to do this mirror talk.
Mm-hmm. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So many times when we go into an interview, we are ready with words, but we are not ready with how, how we appear. We are not well groomed. We do not know how we are. We do not, some of them will, some candidates, I don't know if you have seen, they'll come, they won't have shaved, they won't iron their clothes, they won't be well dressed, they won't be groomed, they're not even bothered. So
Mm,
I assume that if you cannot be ready for an interview, that means what will you do when you get the job?
mm,
So your body language to speak, to have confidence. I always tell my candidates who come in for the interview session preparation, look into the eyes of the interviewer and speak. Whether you know or you don't know, that doesn't mean you stare at them.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, you can just look at them with a sweet smile and speak confidently. Supposing you don't know the answer, you can say, I don't know the answer. It's
Mm,
okay.
okay,
We
ma'am.
know that sometimes people come in and they just like go blank. They don't
Mm,
remember anything you've
anything.
prepared. It's okay. It's okay. Because even the HR is another human being and they know these things happen. Okay. So I just train them. When you speak the truth, confidence automatically will come out.
Oh,
Yes or no?
yes, ma'am.
You
Yes,
tell me.
yes,
Yeah.
of course.
If you're lying, then you know. You yourself know that you're lying, so you'll be like nervous. Ah. So
We'll not
don't
find
lie.
another
Honest.
word is when we are
Yes.
lying.
Yeah. And if you get stuck, and then if they ask you the same question again, and then you don't know what you said, then you're done. Within 2 minutes, the HR will decide, I don't want this person. Okay.
Okay.
So one thing is always be well prepared with your self introduction.
Mm-hmm.
Be very well prepared. Why? Because you just get that 1 minute. In that 1 minute, you have to present your best qualities to the HR. They're
Mm,
not going to give you 10 minutes. There is no need to talk about your family and from where you came because really they don't care. You just talk, you highlight your achievements and you talk about why you are there and how you will be an asset to that company. That is
mm.
what you have to talk in your introduction. You don't have to tell I came from this Andurland, this, that, nothing. You just talk about what you have achieved, what is
Mm.
your qualification, and how your skills and talents will help that company.
Okay,
That's it.
ma'am. Okay.
Okay. So
Mm.
practice, practice, practice.
Practice.
Before you go for the interview, stand in front of the mirror, dress up like you are at the interview, look at yourself and practice. And then another thing I'd also ask them to do is your introduction, record it.
Mm. Before
When
going
you
to the
record it,
interview. Mm.
yeah, at home, record
Mm.
yourself speaking the introduction or whatever questions you want and watch yourself. When
Mm.
you watch yourself, you can correct whatever is wrong, whether it is body language, whether it is smile. Sometimes people will be like this, Sometimes it'll be like people, no, you don't have to do both. You have to just be normal. Yeah.
Normal
So
is
I just
with a
tell them to
smiling
record them.
face.
Yeah. Just record yourself and look at the recording, correct yourself, do it again, and then you can go.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
when you're prepared, confidence. If you're unprepared, no confidence.
Okay. So what can we do at that time, ma'am? Sometimes we go to interview without preparation or without having proper time, enough time, but it is essential, crucial for us to attend that interview. So what can
Yeah.
we do at that time, ma'am? Can we say that I am not prepared, give me some time, or can we go with the same questions and can we,
No, you
how
mean
can
to say
we tell?
after you get into the interview?
Yes, ma'am, is.
Okay, so see, even if they say come for an interview, they might give you even half an hour, or they might give you an
Okay.
hour or two, or they might call you in the morning and say come in the evening. But
Mm,
I would say, please stop everything that you're doing, prepare yourself.
prepare yourself. Okay.
Please do not go unprepared. If you're unprepared, don't go because you will not do well, and then you have lost
Okay.
your confidence, and that anyway, the HR is not going to pick you if you're not going to answer.
Okay, ma'am.
So if you're not prepared, please don't go.
Mm, okay.
Ask for time. Say today I'm not able to attend. Can I take this interview another day? They will give it to you.
Mm, okay.
Okay, don't be scared that okay, they call me for an interview. If I don't go today, that means I will not get an interview. No, no.
Mm.
I will schedule another interview for you. Please take that time. Say, today I cannot come. Can I have another one? Reschedule my interview and take it.
Yes, we should
Okay?
have that
Don't go
courage
unprepared.
to, yes, ma'am. We should have that
Yeah,
courage to ask for another
yeah,
schedule
yeah.
without
Yes.
lamenting. Yes.
Yes. Yeah. And you will get. See,
Mm,
one thing I always tell my students, don't think this interview is the end of your life. It is
okay.
not. It is not.
Fine.
This is maybe you're not supposed to have got this job. That is why you didn't do well. It's okay.
Mm,
You can get another job, but please don't go unprepared, make a fool of yourself. Instead, ask the HR, today I need some time. I'm busy with some other work, or I need some time to prepare. Can I have it tomorrow? Can I have it day after tomorrow? Please prepare. If you have one night, don't sleep.
Okay,
If you
ma'am.
have 2 hours, don't eat. Don't do anything. Just sit down and prepare. But please
Prepare.
go prepare.
Mm.
Why? Because I'll tell you one thing. You're not the only person. There are others who are there,
Yes.
and they have come prepared. So you going in and saying I'm not prepared, then you have already lost. So
Okay, ma'am.
please prepare. Yes.
Okay.
So ask for time.
Okay.
Okay. You know
Okay.
what? I'll tell you what happens behind the scenes. See, when we choose and we call some people, we select them for select candidates. We know that they are good. That is why we have called them,
Okay.
and we are ready to give them another time. Because even sometimes HR says, I'm busy today, I can't take your interview, right?
Mm.
So don't be afraid. Just ask them for time and go. Whichever
Okay.
is convenient to you. Yeah. Don't be afraid.
So out of 200%, out of 200 people, the one, how can you identify that unique person, ma'am? With what quality are you going to identify that unique person, ma'am? Out of 200. So what quality is needed to get into a job, ma'am?
Yeah. Okay. As I always tell everyone, there are 50 people outside having the same kind of resume, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody has the same experience. And why do they ask you, please introduce yourself? Have you ever thought of that?
Yes.
Why do you think the HR will say, please introduce yourself?
To examine them, ma'am.
Because all the 50 people outside have the same qualifications, everything same. But we want to see the communication skills.
Mm.
The
Okay,
very
ma'am.
first thing that you have to develop in your life is communication skills and English communication skills. You might say I am biased by English because I know English. It's not
Mhm.
like that. But English communication skills is the most important thing that you have to develop. And there is no end to it. I might ask you today, do you think you should develop yourself
Yes.
in English? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you
Yes.
think I should develop myself? Yes.
Yes.
And I do. And I do. I watch a lot of English content. I listen to a lot of English. How do I improve my skills? I listen to people who talk about improving communication skills. So, first thing that the HR is looking to see how they present themselves. You think the HR doesn't know about you? They have read your full history, no, in the resume. What is it that they have to ask? First, they want to see how confidently, and the most simplest question is, what is the simplest question in the interview?
Tell me about yourself.
Yes. If you can't answer that properly, then that very moment we will decide, okay, he cannot even talk about himself, then how is he going to help us in other things? Or he or
Okay.
she, whoever.
Mm.
So you have to get your self introduction done very, very well. Prepare
Okay.
for that. Okay. And next is how you handle situations. See, if I asked you a question about your technical job, you can answer me. But if I gave you a problem which you have never encountered, we want to know whether you can handle that.
Mm.
So be prepared for a question. Nowadays, nobody is asking you, oh, how do you do this? How do you do coding? How do you? No, no, no. We will give you a problem and ask you how you will solve it.
Solve it. Okay.
So prepare yourself for situations like that.
Mm.
Look up some content of if there is this problem, how can I solve it? Or if this is the problem, how can I, help them to get more sales or whatever it is. I don't know what job you're going for, but prepare yourself for solving problems.
Mm.
That is the
Real
one
time.
thing you have to.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Real time
real
scenario.
time problems. Yes.
Mm.
So
Okay.
nobody is worried about your qualification. All that is over. It is already there on paper. But we want to know, can you apply the knowledge and experience that you have to solve the problems in the company?
Okay, ma'am. That's
Okay.
all, ma'am.
So
Okay.
that
My questions are over. And we have three
yeah.
minutes left.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, we've come. I mean, time has just flown by, right?
Yes,
Yeah. Thank you,
ma'am.
Mahalakshmi, so
Thank you
much for
so
having
much,
me.
ma'am. Yes.
And God bless you.
Thank
May
you,
you
ma'am.
prosper with your channel and do very well. You and your
Thank you,
family.
ma'am.
Thank you
Thank
for
you so
having
much.
me.
And
Yeah.
what advice would you give for me, ma'am? At last, I would like to ask you about
About your
my
YouTube or in general?
body gesture and communication and everything, ma'am. Overall.
Oh, okay. For your channel, especially, I would say that probably you can just do a bit of homework about that person before you talk to them.
Okay, ma'am.
Like, whoever that person is, if they are a channel, they have a channel or they don't, just, ask them some questions relevant to them. Like today, you have done a good job. There's
Okay, ma'am.
nothing,
Thank
you're
you,
doing
ma'am.
very well. You're doing very well. There's nothing for me to say, but maybe
Okay.
you can just get some famous personalities on your channel.
Yes, ma'am.
That will get you. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes.
God bless you, Mahalakshmi. Thank you for
Thank you,
having me.
ma'am.
All right.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
And
ma'am.
I will see you soon again.
Yes,
Bye.
ma'am. Yes, we'll have another conversation, and I would like to ask, how can they tell about themselves, ma'am, for the interview? Please tell me next in our next interview, ma'am.
Sure. Sure.
So
There
how
is a
how
video
can?
on my channel.
Okay,
There's a
ma'am.
video on my channel. You
Mm.
can go and watch how to introduce yourself. There's a whole video.
Okay, ma'am. I'll go and
Everything I
watch.
have given in detail. Please, you can just ask them to watch that. Okay?
Okay, okay. Have
All
a
right.
great day,
Bye.
ma'am. Bye, bye.
You too. God bless you. It
Okay,
is
ma'am.
such a joy to talk to you.
Yes.